Kia ora class. Today things are obviously a little bit different. For starters, I'm on the floor in my hallway, but there's a good reason for that. I'm here today to show you how someone might go about answering the first part of your 1.2 assignment, that is the anatomy section. The question I've created for myself is, how do the bicep and tricep work together to create and control extension at the elbow in a press-up skill? Now, a press-up skill looks like this. Cool. So how would I go about answering that? Firstly, the elbow is a hinge joint. That's the joint I'm talking about because it only opens and closes. Okay, it opens and closes. It extends and flexes, just like a hinge door. Okay, that means I know it's a hinge joint. In this movement, the angle between the bones is increasing, which means I know the movement is extension. I can see it, the increase here starts bones quite close together, and then the bones extend away from each other at the elbow joint. The bones that make up the elbow joint are the humerus in the upper arm, the radius on top of the forearm, and the ulnar on the bottom of the forearm. In elbow extension, the triceps muscle, that's this muscle on the back here, is the agonist. It contracts, shortens, and pulls on the elbow to straighten it out. The force the tricep creates determines how strong the contraction is, and therefore the more weight I could push in my push-up. If you can imagine, I was adding plates of weight to my back. The biceps muscle, that's this muscle on the front here, is the antagonist in this movement. The biceps relaxes, lengthens, and allows the movement to happen. The biceps controls the speed of the movement by the speed at which it relaxes, and it also contracts slightly at the end of the movement to prevent the joint going too far and becoming injured. Okay? Without the contraction of the triceps and the relaxing of the biceps, this movement couldn't happen. It just wouldn't work. The body would not be pushed up off the ground, and it wouldn't create a successful skill. I'll demonstrate this now. So this is triceps contracting and biceps relaxing. I'll show it again. Triceps contract, biceps relax, creating extension at the elbow.